Namaste, crypto aficionados and my fellow capitalists. I hope you guys are doing great. I've got a great project here for you. I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence. And I do this for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, please like, please share, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I want to grow my channel. I just want to say today's project was brought to my attention by Abdullah Fall. Okay, he says he sent me a message saying, "Hello, thanks. Can you please look into Portalfinance?" I looked into this project. I think this is an awesome project. Okay, so Abdullah Fall, thank you so much for bringing this to my attention, and this is the video for you guys. Okay guys, so I want to talk about Portalfinance now. I think this is going to be huge, right? This is going to be huge. So Portal DeFi is a decentralized financial platform that blends the best of Bitcoin and layer 2. So there is a problem because Bitcoin prior to this, had no not much of a capability. I think no capability to have smart contracts, but with the launch of Taproot, with Taproot integration, right? It seems that now Bitcoin can move on to smart contracts. And not only that, this Taproot integration also gives it an extra layer of security. So Bitcoin already is the most secure network and robust network out there already, the number one. That if you want to talk about truly decentralized and a truly secure network, that will be Bitcoin. Okay, so what's happening now is that thanks to Taproot, they are going to do smart contracts, and because of that, okay, you're going to see DeFi coming into Bitcoin. Okay, so with Portal, that's the name of the project, decentralized finance becomes uncensorable, peer-to-peer, and trust minimized. This is the whole idea, about cryptocurrency. If you're talking about real, true cryptocurrencies, in the spirit of Satoshi Nakamoto, this is what it is all about. It should be uncensorable, peer-to-peer, and trust minimized, trustless. So just like the underlying properties of Bitcoin, so Portal swaps move provable execution of cross-lane contracts to layers 2 and layers 3, which allows the speed of liquidity of centralized alternatives with the trust minimization guarantees of Bitcoin. Moreover, transactions are much faster and cheaper than layer 1 transactions. As you know, transactions are expensive, especially if there's a lot of transactions. Bitcoin transactions can get very expensive. Okay, so let's just quickly look at this article. I'll just go through with you quickly. I don't want to waste your time, but I think it's important to know a project, right? So Portal is a self-hosted layer 2 wallet and a true cross-chain DEX on Bitcoin that makes atomic swaps between Bitcoin and other digital assets fast, secure, private. Okay, and delighted to announce the closing of an 8.5 million funding round to build self-sovereign and uncensorable DeFi on Bitcoin. Guys, these people who are participating: Coinbase Ventures, Arrington Capital, OKX, Republic. Okay, these guys are big, and the founders, the senior executives, the senior executives and the founders of Ethereum, right? Definity, MobileCoin, Tether, all these people, Blockstream. Guys, this is something that you shouldn't be taking lightly. I'm just telling you. Of course, you can choose to do whatever you want, but I'm telling you, like how I was many years ago. I was on the fringe. I was telling, hey guys, look at Bitcoin. Some people, they followed me and they became rich, but some people didn't. So I'm on the fringe, and I'm telling you guys, this project is good. Look into this. Okay, there's a whitelisting. I'll come to that later. Okay, and so this decentralized. So Michael Arrington, the founder of Arrington XRP and TechCrunch, says that decentralized cross-chain bridging is one of the hardest problems in crypto right now, which is true, especially as multiple blockchains gain real traction. We are excited to see Portal's Bitcoin native approach to multi-chain transfers go live and provide an alternative bridging mechanism to the growing number of active on-chain users. Okay. So Brian Johnson from Republic Capital said interoperability is a necessity for blockchain to bridge into the mainstream finance world. So it's important once Bitcoin comes into DeFi, guys, I tell you, this is big, allowing smart contracts onto Bitcoin again. It's you might not see it now, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be huge, okay? Huge. So you know that there's layer 2, layer 3 and all that, and this technology that they are building on top of Bitcoin is called Fabric, which is an open source toolbox for deploying censorship resistant layers on top of the Bitcoin base layer. So Fabric is the one that enables the completely private off-chain execution of smart contracts for asset issuance, P2P swaps, staking, liquidity, derivatives and more. Imagine what you can do now, guys. Currently now you can't do anything, but with this, look at that, you can stake, you can provide liquidity, you can build on this thing, right? Okay, by bringing fast peer-to-peer layer 2 exchange with the speed of centralized exchanges but with privacy. This is what we don't have, right? Privacy for exchange, for centralized exchange, we don't have. Portal is delivering on the promise of self-sovereignty for everyone. You need to be self-sovereign, right? The current centralized exchanges, false decentralized DEXs, custodially wrapped tokens, and censorable ecosystems all threatens Bitcoin promise for self-sovereignty. Fabric technology enables layer 3 privacy on cross-chain transactions and eliminates the need for centralized custodians. Okay, so I'm not going to go on after this. You guys know what I'm trying to tell you already. Okay, Portal is going to launch their public sale. Okay, they have not launched it yet. It's going to be on Republic. Okay, and I just want to show you who the people are behind this. The CEO and the co-founder has 10 years in Bitcoin, head of open source at Blockstream and engineering at BitPay. So BitPay is the one that, it's a wallet, and you use BitPay to fund your investments in Republic, right? So he's at Blockstream, guys, and Blockstream are the ones that, are the main people that are doing the coding and, upkeeping the Bitcoin network. These are the main guys, right? And then you have this Jack Mills, the COO, engineering architect of Casper Labs, right? R-Chain, and previous director of enterprise platforms at Intel. Okay, so guys, these people are not, are not small farts, right? These guys are like OGs, the original gangsters. Okay, so, and if you look at the backing of this project, and I can tell you one thing, it's huge, it's huge, yeah. So there is the whitelist. Okay, I've already whitelisted already, but I would advise you to go on the whitelist. Just click here and the whitelist, and just go on the whitelist and get yourself whitelisted. Okay, and yeah, so I wish you all the best. I think this is going to be a great project. So yeah, so get whitelisted. I hope you get in, and yeah, that's all I have for you. Thank you and namaste.